Here's the first panel of the graphic novel I'm working on, which is called World of What If, Horus Hippo Returns. In the picture is me from 1996, because the first comic I published in 1996, which was called Kwap van het Witte Doek. And in 2000 it was also published for Toonscape, which was the first ebook publisher in the United States. In the original version it was a picture, but I'm gonna redraw everything. Because in this graphic novel there is the reality, and that's me drawing. And in the story I will draw Horus Hippo, and Horus Hippo will come alive. It's a bit of an homage to the old cartoons from the 1920s, especially Walt Disney, who drew a character and then it would come alive, or Max Fleischer, who drew Coco the Clown, and then they would interact. And in this story the same will happen. I'm drawing everything in Procreate, and I'm using the picture as a reference. I'm using the ink brushes, and they're available on my Gumroad. I'll leave a link below this video. And also the watercolor brushes, and they're also available on Gumroad. So this is the first establishing shot. It's me in my old studio in 1996. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, or want me to tell more about my graphic novel, World of What If, Horus Hippo Returns, please let me know in the comments down below. Drawing is fun, and practice makes perfect. See you next time. Doodles!